it felt like a dream come true. Halos. Kasi parang it's something we prepared for so long. So actually, we haven't talked about it yet. I mean, at least di pa namin siya na-out sa TikTok namin. Supposedly, the channel is to tell everyone how the process goes to help those who want. Pero we haven't brought ourselves to that point. And then you guys message. So parang sabi ko, sige, okay.
Naisip talaga ko kayong dalawa.
Let's
Hinahanap
talk
ko
about
talaga
it
kayong
here.
dalawa. Oo.
Ayun po.
Gusto namin kumustahin eh. Sabi ko pa kay Papa, uy, invite natin si Sky at Gia. Baka may baby na sila, hindi natin alam. Ayan. Siguro,
Paano nyo nalampasan yun?
oo nga eh.
Paano nyo naibalik
Sorry
sa
to
mga
hear.
buhay after that?
Kaming dalawa. Balik sa kaming dalawa. Parang it was a reminder na baka not yet. Baka kaming dalawa muna. Pero siguro the most heartbreaking part about it was seeing him break down. That was the first time I saw him break down.
Akala ko sa movies lang dati yung iniiyakan yung damit. Pero yun nga, yung binili naming damit for Ellie. Parang,
Tinatabi niya sa pagtulog. Parang ako, I wanted to throw it away. Parang hindi naman, pero parang don't put it muna nga beside me. Pero siya, that was his coping mechanism. Sampay sa balikat niya. Pagkakain siya sa baba, nakasampay sa balikat niya. A lot of crying moments.
Yeah.
But together pa din. Parang balik sa aming dalawa.
actually, itong mga nakaraang araw po kasi, yun nga, kami tapos sinaround talaga namin sarili namin ng friends. Nung na-realize ko lang, parang talagang ito yung time na nag-a-advise kami sa mga friends namin, I don't know why. Siguro kasi yun yung love na dapat ibubuhos namin para kay Ellie. Dahil hindi natuloy, sa mga tao na lang namin.
Parang mas
binubuhos.
naging caring kami sa friends namin, staff namin.
Yeah. But you guys are gonna make great parents. You can see this already. And aren't you gonna, sorry I have to ask this, aren't you gonna try again in the
Yes
right
po.
time? Yeah.
Yes po, we will. We will.
Yeah.
It's just na siguro we want to muna venture on ventured waters pa. Things na we still want to do na try muna yun. And then, when we feel na it's the right time, we will try again.
And may I also ask, kasi nakalimutan ko lang kanina, di ba you mentioned 2 eggs. Pwede. Hindi pwedeng i-try yung other egg?
The other one wasn't viable for transfer po. 98% kasi siya, yung 98% of the chromosomes,
Oo.
abnormal pairing. So, di siya
isa lang
kakapit.
talaga.
Isa lang
Yes.
talaga.
We had one chance. Ayun.
Yeah.
Wow.
Baka ano lang yan, di ba? One day, di ba? One day.
Yeah, I believe in we believe in God's timing naman talaga.
Perfect timing.
There's a reason for everything naman po.
I asked you kanina before tayo nag-start ng show, are you open, the two of you, to adopting baby?
Yes, he always has been.
Yeah.
I became open to adoption after IVF na parang sabi ko, I think siguro there's that part na I experienced with Ellie and maybe it might be enough for now. But ayoko po kasing magsalita ng tapos. But definitely we are open to adoption.